If you also want motion backgrounds like Imangaji, but you don't want to pay 2,000 rupees for it, then this video is for you. Because you also know that to make a beginner level video pro level, you need a lot of resources. And to find these resources, you have to go to thousands of websites. Then you can get a few right videos. So I thought, why not share with you for free all those resources that will take your videos to the next level. How to download the resources, I will tell you later. Before that, let's quickly see what is included in this pack. First of all, you will get 200 plus background videos, in which both horizontal and vertical videos are included, and also grid backgrounds, which are currently trending. On the second number, you will get sound effects, which are divided into different categories, so see according to your use. Then comes cinematic overlays, which you can use either as a transition or in the middle of the video. Then green screen videos, PNGs, arrows, GIFs, etc. These were some resources that are included in this pack. And apart from this, I also have no copyright background music, which I have not put in this pack. If you also want background music, then write in the comments and I will add it. Now let's talk about how you can download these resources for free. So for that, I will pin the download link in the description and even in the comments section, which you simply have to open, and it will take you directly to the folder where I have divided all these resources into subfolders. So whatever specific resource you want to download for your videos, you can open it from there and download it. So yeah, that's it for this video. See you in the next video. Until then, have a great day. Keep growing.